What are decision trees? Decision tree is a supervised machine learning algorithm used to build classification and regression models. It is in the form of a tree structure. Now, what do you mean by classification? Classification means it predicts class labels. Now, this is an example of a decision tree wherein the nodes are the attributes or the features, its branches are the values of that particular attribute, and at the leaf you have outcomes. We'll be seeing ID3 algorithm. ID3 stands for Iterative Dichotomizer 3. And the steps of ID3 are as follows. First, we calculate entropy of the entire data set. Second, for every attribute or feature, we calculate entropy for all its categorical values. And then we calculate information gain of that feature. Next, we find the feature with maximum information gain. And we repeat this process until we get the desired tree. So how should be the desired tree? The desired tree should be as short as possible so that we reach to a conclusion or a decision as early as possible. Okay, now what is entropy? Entropy is a measure of amount of uncertainty or randomness in the data. Its formula is entropy is given as minus p log of p to the base 2 minus q log of q to the base 2. Now this is for binary classification. Consider a coin toss problem wherein we may get a head or a tail and both have got an equal probability, that is 0.5. Okay. Now let's say the coin is a biased coin and maximum times it's going to return tail. Okay, so maybe 3 times tail and 1 time head. So the probability of tail becomes 0.75. Okay, entropy or randomness is maximum when chances of happening of both the outcome are equal. So as we can see in the diagram here, okay, at 0.5 it is maximum, that is 1, and at 0 and 1 it is minimum, that is 0. Okay, now what is information gain? The formula of information gain is given as follows. So what we do is we calculate entropy for all the categorical values of that particular attribute. Then we multiply it with the weight of the attribute. We sum up for all the categorical values of that attribute and we subtract this value from the entropy of the data set. So basically information gain tells us how much uncertainty in S was reduced after splitting S on attribute A. Information gain is calculated for a split by subtracting the weighted entropies of each branch from the original entropy. So this is the original entropy. These are the weights and we calculate weighted entropy. We sum it up and we subtract this from the original entropy. Okay, let's take a problem and understand how decision tree algorithm works. Now, let's say this is the data set that we'll be using. And these are the features. We have age, competition, type, feature 1, feature 2, feature 3. And the last one, profit, is our target. That is the output. The output, as we can see, there are two down and up. Two values are there. So it's a binary classification problem. So let's start with the solution. First step is we calculate entropy of the data set, which is given as now as you can see here, there are 5 downs and 5 ups. Therefore, entropy of the data set is minus 5 by 10 log of 5 by 10 to the base 2 minus 5 by 10 log of 5 by 10 to the base 2. That is entropy is 1. Next, we'll calculate information gain for the feature after calculating entropies for all the categorical values. We'll start with the first attribute, that is age. Now let's consider age. Okay, so what are the values? We have old, mid, and new. These are the distinct values. Now let's calculate for old. Now see, old and down, old and down, old and down. That's it. Therefore, so whenever we have age as old, profit is down. Okay, and therefore we can say that entropy of S old is 0. There is no uncertainty, there is no randomness. It's going to give us down. We'll see for new first. Again, see, as you can see, new went up, new went up, new went up. Okay, so for age is new, all three records have profit is equal to up. Therefore, entropy of S new is 0. And we'll take the third one, that is mid now. So we have mid and down, mid and down, mid and up, mid and up. Okay, so 2 ups, 2 downs, and therefore entropy of S mid is 1, as both have equal chance of getting selected. 2 ups, 2 downs. Next, we'll calculate information gain for age. Now, see, keep one thing in mind. Whenever, we get equal, as in the previous example, 2 ups, 2 downs. Okay, so you should directly write entropy as 1. Even if you calculate, even if you put it in the formula, you're going to get it as 1. Similarly, when you get only one class, you directly write down entropy as 0. Because even if you put the values and calculate, it's going to give you 0 only. Okay, now for age, information gain, we'll calculate information gain for age, which is entropy of the data set minus weighted entropies of all its categorical values. So, weight of old, there are 3 olds, therefore it is 3 upon 10. There are 10 records. So, 3 upon 10 into 0, which we got. Okay, then mid, there are 4 values. So, the weight of mid is 4 by 10 into entropy of S mid is 1 plus 3 by 10 into entropy of S new, that is 0. Okay, so 1 minus 0.4, which is 0.6. Okay, next we'll calculate information gain for computation. So let's have a look at the distinct values. We have yes, yes and no's. Okay. Let's calculate for yes first. So we have yes and down, yes and down, yes and down, yes and up. So we have 3 downs and 1 up. Okay, therefore, entropy of competition is equal to ES becomes minus 3 by 4 log of 3 by 4 to the base 2 minus 1 by 4 log of 1 by 4 to the base 2. This is actually 1 by 4 and this value comes out to 0.811. Okay, now for competition is equal to no. We have no and down, no and down, no and up, no and up, no and up, no and up. So we have 2 downs and 4 ups. Therefore, entropy of competition is equal to no is minus 2 by 6 log of 2 by 6 to the base 2 minus 4 by 6 log of 4 by 6 to the base 2, which comes out to 0.918. So we'll calculate information gain of competition, okay, of the data set with respect to competition. So this is entropy of the data set minus summation of all its categorical values. Weighted entropies we calculate, okay. So the weight of yes, we have 4 yeses. Therefore, weight of yes is 4 by 10 into entropy of yes, that is 0.811 plus we have 6 no's. So weight of no is 6 by 10 into 0.918, which comes out to 0.125. Next, we'll calculate information gain for type. And we can see, as we can see, there are 2 values, software and hardware. Okay, now for software, software down, software down, software down, software up, up, up. So there are 3 downs and 3 ups. Therefore, directly we can write entropy of software is 1. Similarly, even for hardware, 2 downs and 2 ups. Therefore, we can write entropy of hardware is 1. And we'll calculate gain with respect to type. So this is entropy of the data set minus weight of down, that is 6 by 10 into 1 plus 4 by 10 into 1. So this comes out to 0. Let us now compare all the information gains that we have calculated. For age, it is 0.6, competition 0.125, for type it is 0. So age has got maximum information gain. So we'll select the root node as age. So this is my root node age. And what will be the branches? The branches will be its values, that is old, mid and up. Now for all old, we have down. For all new, we have up. So we can therefore easily assign labels here down and up. And for mid, we can't come to a conclusion because we have 2 downs and 2 ups. So now what we'll do is we'll consider the mid data set. Okay, mid data set means we are going to consider only these 4 values. Record 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is the subset of mid. Now we are going to work only with the smaller data set. Okay, so we have competition and type. Competition, we have 2 values, yes, yes, and no, no. For yes, again, it is down, and for no, it is up. Okay, so let's calculate entropy for yes. Yes, entropy for yes is 0. And similarly, entropy for no is also 0. And therefore, gain is 1 minus 0, which is 1. Next, we'll calculate for type. Now, for software, it is down. For hardware, software, it is down and up. For hardware, again, it is 1 down and 1 up. And therefore, information gain of type is, entropies of software is 1, entropy of hardware is 1. And therefore, gain is 0. Okay, 1 minus 1. Now we'll compare all the gains. So competition, we got gain as 1. For type, we got gain as 0. So competition is the clear-cut winner. So next attribute that we'll use for splitting the data set is competition. So we have competition here. Okay, now what will be its branches? Its branches will be its values, yes and no. And for yes, whenever we have yes, it is down. Whenever we have no, it is up. Okay, so we can assign the label and we will stop here because the decision tree is complete. Okay, we have reached conclusion. Okay, thank you.